The Fiuo Hard Trifold tonneau cover is expertly designed for Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500 models from 2007 to 2025, ensuring a perfect match for your truck's bed. Crafted from high-quality PP honeycomb and FRP panels, this cover boasts remarkable strength and durability, providing superior protection against theft and impact. With its scratch-resistant UV-protective black powder coat finish, the cover offers excellent resistance to harsh weather conditions, making it ideal for safeguarding your cargo. The innovative quick-release clamping system allows the cover to fold easily into thirds, facilitating convenient loading of taller items while maintaining a secure fit. Installation is straightforward and hassle-free, requiring no drilling, and can be completed by one person in 10 to 15 minutes using the included hardware. This cover not only enhances the utility of your vehicle by protecting tools and equipment, but also adds a touch of style, making it a valuable addition for any truck owner.